very bottom here, we have the timeline panel. So we can see it over here. It's a little clock icon. And you can see it's called timeline. And there's a lot of cool stuff in here. So first off, you'll see that there's a timeline. We have like 1 to 250. Each one of these are frames. If we go back to our printer icon, you can see our frame rate is 24 frames per second. So that means there's going to be 24 frames per second. So if we go through this, if we just click on one of these numbers, we can see we can drag this blue line. So that means 24 frames would be 1 second. So 1 second would be at this location. Now in the middle of this, of the timeline, we have a little play button. So if we click play, we can play the animation. So we can see the timeline is now moving. And we can also click pause. Now, this is a cool keyboard shortcut. So I absolutely love keyboard shortcuts. This is what makes Blender very powerful, is if you click the space bar, you can hit play and then click the space bar again, you can pause. Let's drag this over. So play, pause, using the space bar. Another keyboard shortcut for the timeline is the arrows on your keyboard. If you click the right arrow, you can move to the right. Now we're on frame 68, 69, 70. If I click the left arrow, 69, 68, to actually record your animations, there's a little record button. If we hover over it, it's called auto keying. So by clicking on this, by enabling this, anytime you move an object, it'll record that. Now let's just disable it for the time being.